Hello and Namaskar dear friends. Today in this video lesson we are going to start understanding activity as well as we will be doing question and answers, fill in the blanks, and we will be doing the vocabulary of page number 63. So take out your pencils, get ready and let's get started. The very first question of understanding activity is Abha, Abhay and their parents visited many places in Kerala. Number the places in the order they visited them. हमें क्या करना है, आभा और अभय अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ बहुत सारी जगह घूमे थे ना, हमने चैप्टर में जैसे रीड किया केरला ट्रिप टू केरला में हमने क्या रीड किया था कि सबसे पहले वो कहाँ पर गए थे, होटल इन अल्पूजा. सो गिव वन नंबर, होटल इन अल्पूजा. Then next they visit the lighthouse, Alpuza lighthouse. So give 2 number here. And then give 3 number, houseboat in backwater. Alpuza houseboat in backwater. Give 3 number. Yes, then they visit to Munnar tea garden, tea plantation. They went there na after that. So give 4 number here. And then what they saw, Kathakali performance, classical dance performance they had seen na. So give 5 number there. And at the end what they had seen, martial art show. Yes, what was the name of that martial art show? Kalari Payattu performance. What does we say it? Kalari Payattu performance. Now, I hope that everyone's question number 1 is completed. Now come to question number 2. Fill in the blanks. The first question is, many tourists from all over the world visit Kerala. Write it down, Kerala, Kerala. In first blank write it down, Kerala. Then come to the second one, Alpuza is famous for its beautiful backwaters and lighthouse. Alpuza is famous for its beautiful backwaters and lighthouse. BACK back, WATERS waters. Then LIGHT light, HOUSE house, lighthouse. Come to C1. Abha and Abhay's father hired a houseboat at the backwater. Write it down, houseboat, HOUSE house, BOAT boat, houseboat. Now come to the next one. Munnar is a beautiful hill station in Kerala. Write it down, hill station, HILL hill, STATION, hill station. Then come to the next one. Dash is a classical dance form from Kerala. Which classical dance form? Kathakali. Write it down, KATHAKALI. Kathakali. I hope that your fill in the blanks is completed. So our question number 1 and question number 2 is completed. Now get ready for answer the following questions. Answer the following question. First question is, what is Kathakali? डियर किड्स, सबसे पहले आप इस लाइन को थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड कर दो. एज आंसर थोड़ा सा बड़ा है तो हमें एक लाइन थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. डन. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द आंसर. राइट इट डाउन. कथकली, KATHAKALI, Kathakali. IS is a famous, FAMOUS, famous classical, CLASSICAL, classical dance, DANCE, dance of Kerala, KERALA, Kerala. Kathakali is a famous classical dance of Kerala. Now write it down in continuation. It is a form of dance, 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 drama, 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 performed by colorfully dressed dancers. Colorfully dressed dancers. Let's read the question and answer one more time. What is Kathakali? Kathakali is a famous classical dance of Kerala. It is a form of dance, drama, performed by colorfully dressed dancers. Now come to the next question. Question number B. What is Munnar famous for? So the answer is, Munnar is famous for its tea plantation. Write it down. Munnar is famous for its, its, TEAT, plantation, PLANTATION, plantation. Now come to C1. What is Abhay and Abha do at Alpuza beach? What did Abhay and Abha do at Alpuza beach? Abhay and Abha built sand castle and played in the sea. Write it down. Abhay and Abha built, BUILT, sand castle and played in the sea. What is the spelling for sand castle? SAND, sand, CASTLES. So here is the answer for C1. Abhay and Abha built sand castles and played in the sea. Now come to the last question. हाउ डिड दे एंड देयर ट्रिप टू केरला? उन्होंने सबसे लास्ट में क्या किया था? उन्होंने एंड कैसे की अपनी ट्रिप टू केरला? यस, द लास्ट थिंग Abha and Abhay saw in Kerala was a Kalripayattu performance. Yes, it's a martial art. So, are all the question and answers are completed? I hope that all of you have written it in your textbook. And your homework is write all these question answers in your notebook. तो नोटबुक में हमने क्या क्या लिखा है? सबसे फर्स्ट चीज़ जो हमने लिखी है वो है फोनिक वर्ड्स, सेकेंड चीज़ जो हमने लिखी है वो है न्यू वर्ड्स, और थर्ड चीज़ जो हम लिखने वाले दैट इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. सो टेक राइट इट डाउन होमवर्क एंड NB. टेक इट, write it down homework in NB 1A. Alright, 1A नंबर नोटबुक में आपको ये लिखना है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव द हेडिंग आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 63. In page number 63, vocabulary, we are going to learn travel words. So, are you all ready? Yes. Let's read question number 1 then. Tick the thing that you carry in your luggage when you travel to a hilly place. Hilly place means hill station. जब आप hill station जाते हो तब आप कौन कौन सी चीज़ें पैक करते हो वो हमें यहाँ पे टिक करनी है. Now dear kids, before we start this vocabulary question, I want to ask you one question. जब आप कहीं पे भी ट्रैवलिंग के लिए जाते हो तब आप ऐसे कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो आप पैक करते हो? Yes, give the names of things that needs while traveling. Clothes, very good. Soap or face wash, toothbrush, toothpaste, towel, water bottle, food, very good. We need so many things. So here also you need to take the things whatever you required while you are traveling to a hilly place. So this question is your homework. Take and write it down homework. आपको सिर्फ अपनी ज़रूरत की चीज़ों को इसमें टिक करना है जो भी आपको नीड हो जब आप हिली प्लेस पे ट्रैवल करने जा रहे हो. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 वी नीड टू सर्कल द नेम्स ऑफ द काउंटर्स दैट यू सी इन द पिक्चर. Look at the picture of airport. It's a picture of airport. Then circle the names of the counters that you see in the picture. So let's circle the first one, that is arrival and departure. As you can see here, arrival and departure. So circle the first two, arrival and then departure, and then see the next one, deck. डेक तो कहीं पे भी नहीं है. देन फ्लाइट इंफॉर्मेशन. यस, फ्लाइट इंफॉर्मेशन इज देयर. सो वी विल सर्कल फ्लाइट इंफॉर्मेशन. नाउ टिकट काउंटर. टिकट काउंटर इज हियर. सो वी विल सर्कल टिकट काउंटर. देन लॉबी सिक्योरिटी चेक. यस, lobby security check is here. So we will circle lobby security check. Then baggage claim. Yes, it is here, baggage claim. So we will circle baggage claim. Boardwalk. No, it's not here. Runway. रनवे भी कहीं नहीं है, so we will not circle. Then yes, passport counter is there, so we will circle passport counter. Here it is, see. So this is how we had completed question number 2 as well. Now turn the page, come to page number 64. हमने प्रोनाउंस के बारे में पढ़ा था ना, पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस फिर डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस, बस उसी से रिलेटेड हमें ये एक्सरसाइज करनी है. सो द एक्सरसाइज नेम इज प्रोनाउंस, प्रैक्टिसिंग ग्रामर प्रोनाउंस. Pronouns are placed in the place of naming words. We can say we use pronouns instead of naming words. So here what we have to do is replace the underlined naming word with the correct pronouns. बॉक्स में हमें pronouns दिए हैं और यहाँ पे हमें naming words में underline करके दिया हुआ है. हमें क्या करना है, ये सारे underline naming words को हटा के pronouns लिखने हैं. So चलो let's do it. The first one is Riya and Sheila are friends. They both are girls and they are more than one. So what we will write? They. So write it down. They, T-H-E-Y in first blank. Now come to the second one. The man asked Mr. Sharma to bring his bag. The man, whenever we are talking about man or boy, we use he. So write it down, he here, H-E. Then come to the next one. Meena spoke to her family. Meena is a girl, so we will write she. Now come to the second. My mother, Beena and I. ऐसा कोई सेंटेंस जिसमें हम भी शामिल होते हैं, हम उसमें क्या लगाते हैं, वी लगाते हैं ना. The sentence which include ourselves, we write we there, pronoun we. So we will write we here. My mother, Beena and I are having dinner. So instead of my mother, Beena and I, what we can write? We are having dinner. Now come to E1, last one. The sandwich is fresh. What we will write? it, as it's a thing. Now let's read the sentences with the pronouns. They are friends. Instead of saying Riya and Sheila, we can say they are friends. Then the man asked Mr. Sharma to bring his bag. Instead of saying the man, we can write he asked Mr. Sharma to bring his bag. Now instead of writing Meena, we can say she spoke to her family. Now here in D1, my mother Beena and I are having dinner. Instead of saying my mother Beena and I, we can say we are having dinner. The sandwich is fresh. Instead of saying the sandwich, we can say it is fresh. Now come to the next exercise, that is question number 2 of page number 64. Look at the picture, fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. Yes, we have to fill it with demonstrative pronouns. These and these, near object, that and those, far object. Do you all remember? Alright, now see, dash is my house. Where I am standing? Here. अभी के लिए हम अज्यूम करते हैं कि ये हम हैं. Alright, और ये सारे सेंटेंसेस बोल रहा है ये बच्चा. तो ये अपना हैंड कहाँ दिखा रहा है? दोनों साइड शो कर रहे हैं, बट दिस इज माई हाउस, सो वी विल राइट THIS. This is my house. And the another hand is showing at Ravi's house, so we will write that is Ravi's house. As it is far, so we will write that, and both are singular. These and that we use for singular things, and these and those we use for more than one thing. Then these are bushes. These are bushes. As you can see here, more than one. And here also plural word is written. That's why we had written these, THESE. And then those are the trees. There are 2 trees. So we will say those are the trees. Let's read the sentences. This is my house. That is Ravi's house. These are bushes. Those are the trees. So this is how we had completed our practicing grammar portion, page number 64. Let us review whatever we had learned today. आज हमने सबसे पहले किया अंडरस्टैंडिंग एक्टिविटी, जिसमें हमने देखा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जो था सीक्वेंसिंग से रिलेटेड. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, एंड देन वी हैड डन आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. And your homework is you have to write this answer the questions in 1A number notebook. And then after we had seen page number 63, vocabulary, travel words. This question is your homework, question number 1. And then we had seen question number 2, in which we had circled the names of the counters that you can see in the picture, as it is a picture of airport. और हमें क्या सर्कल करना था? काउंटर के नेम्स जो जो हमें यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं. आफ्टर दैट वी हैड सीन pronouns, practicing grammar pronouns of page number 64. So I hope कि आपको आज का concept समझ में आया हो. And if you face any difficulty, feel free to ask me. Till then, keep studying, keep revising. Bye, take care, and thank you.